Hey loves, so I got a lot of questions on my Instagram to show you all my cleaning routine while being 8 months pregnant because y'all see that on my daily stories.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
So the first thing I like to do when I'm about to clean is just make a good to-do list of the things that I want to accomplish. It's okay if you don't get it all done because it's a struggle. So here's the before. We just moved into this house in Dallas, Texas. So we're still getting settled in and there's a lot of furniture missing, but my house still happens to get extremely dirty, being that I'm pregnant with a 4-year-old toddler and a husband to clean up after from time to time. So my first tip is just to really gather all the things that you will need when you're going to be cleaning, so that way you have everything together and you don't have to scramble around the house looking for things as you're cleaning. But that's about it for this video, so let's go ahead and get into cleaning.
If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working. Soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place.
If Clean With Me videos or anything house related is your jam, then definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video like this, as well as comment some videos you all are interested in. I am in my 8th month of pregnancy and I don't have much left to go, so I am about to be dropping some videos related to pregnancy. So let me know what you would like to see. But again, don't forget to subscribe, follow me over on Instagram at @lavishlybritt, and continue to watch this video and give it a thumbs up at the end. For me, if my kitchen isn't clean, my house isn't clean. So if you would like a full-on detailed video as far as how I keep my kitchen clean or how I clean it, then definitely drop me a comment down below and hashtag kitchen clean so I know that's what you want to see.
You show me how to dare to love, so tell me what you're thinking of. You show me how to dare to love, so tell me what you're thinking of.
If you all have any recommendations on how to keep a glass door clean to the shower, please drop those down in the comments below, because oh my gosh, it took me quite a while to scrub this thing clean and I was so tired. I hope you all enjoyed this clean with me while being pregnant. Definitely give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, do that and hit the notification bell and follow me on Instagram. Love you. Bye.